Okay, last night 30 centimeters of snow fell in 6 hours. If it continues snowing at the same rate, how long will it take for 45 centimeters of snow to fall? So let's set this up as a, I guess we'll put height, for lack of a better word, height of snow to time. It's going to be a rate because we're comparing two different types of units. Now we have 30 centimeters of snow, that's its height of the snow, in 6 hours. And we're going to set up a proportion to figure out how much time will it take for 45 centimeters of snow to fall. We don't know this amount here. Well, there are two ways we can do this. We can use the first method, which is to create a unit rate first and figure out how much snow is falling per hour. So we'll look at 30 centimeters in 6 hours is how many in 1 hour. We're creating a unit rate here. So we divide it by 6, we divide it by 6, and what this tells us is that 5 centimeters of snow is falling per hour. And if you think about that here, that makes a lot of sense. So, and then I could take that and say, well, how long therefore will it take for 45? And I can look here to here and say, well, what I'm doing is that's actually 9 times as much snow as falls in 1 hour. So therefore, it'll be 9 times 1 hour, or 9 hours it will take for 45 centimeters of snow to fall. That's one way, is to break it down into a unit rate. The second way is to figure out what is my multiple. All right, so if I look at these two, 45 over x, what did I multiply 30 by to get 45? And as you've learned before, thinking of it as an easier problem, if I had, instead of 2 and 10 here, and I want to say 2 times what is 10, I'm just thinking of an easier question instead of 30 and 45. I know it's times 5, but if I didn't know that, I could take my larger number over here, divided by the smaller number, and that will tell me what my multiple is. So using that same logic, 45, if I take my calculator up here, 45, oh, 45 divided by 30 should tell me my multiple. So 45 divided by, 45 divided by 30 equals 1.5. So my multiple here is 1.5. That's what I have to multiply it by, times 1.5. 30 times 1.5 is 45, and 6 times 1.5 is, you guessed it, 9. So that's the second way we can do it, using that, figuring out what my multiple is, and using that to create the proportion.